Hello. The purpose of this video tutorial is to assist you with downloading and installing Microsoft Photo Story 3. Now you should be able to do this on your Dell. However, if you have a Mac, a district issued Mac, the easiest thing to do is to go to the library and to complete this activity on a library computer. So to begin the installation, the download portion of the installation process, we're going to click to open a Google Chrome window. And then in the address bar, I'm going to type in download Photo Story. And the first link that comes up says download Microsoft Photo Story 3 for Windows XP. Even though it says Windows XP, the software will work on our Windows 7 computers. So I'm going to click to download. Now I have a Microsoft window that says Microsoft Photo Story 3 for Windows XP. We're going to click the red download button. Now a window will come up to ask us where we want to save the file. The easiest thing to do is to save it on the desktop so it's easily accessible, and then select Save. Now that it has been downloaded, I'm going to close my Google Chrome window, and I have my Photo Story icon here. It looks like I have a duplicate. I have a Photo Story icon, so I'm going to double click to open the file. It comes up with a security warning. Do you want to run this file? Yes, I want to run the file. Welcome to the Photo Story 3 for Windows Setup Wizard. I'm going to click Next. Here on the license agreement, I need to click to accept the license agreement, and then I'm going to click Next. Select the folder where you want this feature to be installed. I'm not going to change the installation folder. I want it to install where it wants to, so I'm going to click Next. And the Setup Wizard is ready to install Photo Story 3 for Windows. To begin, click Install. I'm going to click Install. It takes just a moment. Now a window came up that you may not be able to see. It says, do you want to allow the following program to install software on this computer? The program name is Photo Story 3 for Windows, and the verified publisher says Microsoft Corporation. Because those two are correct, I'm going to click Yes, which brings me back to the Photo Story 3 Setup Wizard, and it's going to install. Okay, the wizard has completed, so I'm going to click Finish, which brings me back to my desktop. To access the software, I'm going to click on my Windows button and then select All Programs. And now we see Photo Story 3 for Windows here. To add this link to my desktop so I can get back to it easily, I'm going to right-click on this link. I'm going to go to Send To, and then Desktop, Create Shortcut. I'm going to click Desktop so that when I look on my desktop, here is my link for Photo Story 3 for Windows. This concludes the tutorial for downloading and installing Photo Story 3. Thank you.